Here are your solutions to 1-3 guided practice. Our first problem, number 1, is 4 to the 5th times 4 cubed, which I'm going to just jump right to the simplification. We should be pretty good at this by now. 4 to the 5 plus 3 is 4 to the 8th. 4 to the 8th is 65,536. Reminder about your commas in numbers with more than 3 digits. Number 2 is negative 2a times 3a to the 4th. In this case, I will put that intermediate step here. We have negative 2 times positive 3. Negative 2 times positive 3 gives us the negative 6. And we have a times a to the 4th. That's a to the 1 plus 4. That's negative 6a to the 5th. Number 3, we have y to the 8th over y to the 5th. That's y to the 8 minus 5, y to the 3rd. If you need to write out all your y's like this and do the canceling, that is perfectly okay to do it, but I don't think I need to show that anymore. Number 4, 24k to the 9th divided by 6k to the 6th. 24 divided by 6 is 4. K to the 9 minus 6 is k to the 3rd. Number 5, we have, this is the way I would take a look at this problem. We have 2 to the 2 minus 1 over times 3 to the 3 minus 1 times 4 to the 5 minus 4. That brings us to 2 to the 1st. We'll just write it as 2, 3 to the 2nd, 4 to the 1st. 3 to the 2nd is 9. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 times 8, 72 is your final answer. Number 6. Now, this is where I really want you to get to the point where you can do it just like this. Negative 3 to the 4 minus 2 is negative 3 to the squared. Negative 4 to the 3 minus 1 is squared. And 5 to the 2 minus 1 is 5. 5, negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Times 16 will give you 720. Number 7. We have a problem comparing the French to the Sicilian here. We have 2 to the 6th over 2 squared. Now remember, we're trying to find out how many times greater the French is than the Sicilian. So this is actually a division problem. 2 to the 6th divided by 2 to the 2nd is 2 to the 6th minus 2, or 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th is like 2 times 2, which is 4, times the other 4, that's 16. We have French at 16 times the Sicilian. Lastly, number 8. The answer to this one is, as long as, and this is really important here, as long as the expressions have a common base. In other words, we couldn't take 2 to the 6th over 3 to the 2nd and then go 2 to the 6 minus 2. That doesn't make any sense. They have to have a common base. This, of course, is our base. Remember, this is the exponent. As long as they have a common base, we can use the properties to simplify before multiplying or dividing. And those properties are, of course, when you're multiplying, add up the exponents.